And I got this box right here. We got a package from our friends over at THREADBEAST. If you guys don't know what THREADBEAST is, it's a monthly clothing subscription. It's a subscription that you pay monthly and they send you like a box of random clothes. It's different tiers to the subscription. So you can get like a cheaper subscription, like a middle subscription, and then like a premium pro subscription. But in every subscription, you get like different pieces. Like, I think it's like a few outfits. I know in the premium subscription, it's always like a lot of pieces here. The premium one is the best one because that's the one where you get like shoes. But pretty much for THREADBEAST, like you fill out this form and you tell them like how your style is, and then I think you link in like your Instagram or your social media handles, and they go check out your page and they curate you a box based upon your style. So it's pretty cool. You guys should really go check out THREADBEAST. They're actually pretty cool, and the pieces are all random. I feel like that's kind of the worst part, but it's kind of the fun part because it's like you never know what you're going to get every month. So this month I'm unboxing it on live, and I'm also making a TikTok video too, so I gotta record that to you guys. We're multitasking on this live. This is what I do for my videos. Side view, I mean, like this is how to be a content creator 101. All right, you guys, so we're about to open the THREADBEAST package. Holy crap, this box is big. Oh, if you guys want to see the box, they put like text in writing. What does it say? Ready for the moves that matter and the moments that count. Show up ready. This box is heavy. Whoa. Oh, look at I already opened it up. Yes, you guys, I already opened it up. That's why it looks like that. So I already know what it is, but you guys on the live, y'all don't know what it is. But this is the THREADBEAST. The box is heavy. All right. So first up, we have, oh, what are these? Ooh. First up, we got these, what are these? These are some sweatpants from the brand, I'm still recording. These are some sweatpants from, I don't know what brand this is. Rosen. XEN is Zen, right? They're just like some cream colored sweatpants. A nice neutral color. I like the like metallic logo branding thing right there. Pretty cool. I'll give these a I'll give them a 7 out of 10. Pretty chill. And I also like the bottom, how it's just like relaxed fit at the bottom. It's not like a drawstring, so pretty cool. So next up, y'all, they sent some underwear. They always send these underwear. These are crisp underwear. I like that they send a pair of underwear with every outfit, because it's like, you know, you need a new pair of drawers, fresh pair of drawers with every fresh outfit. I'll be like, every time you go and buy some new clothes, remember to always buy some new underwear too. So I am the one, the way your time don't. Love that. I don't know this brand, but the one thing, me and underwear, I like underwear with no logo on the waistband. Like, I hate underwear with logos on the waistband, but they look pretty. Let me actually take them out. I didn't take the other pair out because I literally just got a whole bunch of new logoless underwear that I like. But oh, they actually feel like nice material. It feels like polyester, I'm not even gonna lie. It is polyester. It is polyester. It felt like polyester. I kind of like cotton underwear, but I guess I'll work out in these. I don't know. It felt like polyester. I know what polyester feels like. Oh, we got some pants. These pants are giving like old money vibe. All right, y'all, so these are the pants. The pants are from the brand Classic. Is that what it's called? CLSC. Classic. Sucks to suck. These look like, I guess that's the brand Classic. They just look, they're just like some chinos. I think that's what these are called. Just some like basic chinos. I'm gonna do like an old money outfit with these. So these would be actually cool. These are actually giving old money. I've been into the old money aesthetic lately, so that's cool. What we got next? That's in the box. So this is a shirt from the same brand as the sweatpants. Oh, it actually looked like it matches. If anybody knows what this brand is, Ruzen.
No, God, please, no, no.
I don't know. It's maybe a Japanese brand. This is actually a really good blank. This is actually perfect for layering. I'm not even gonna lie. This is a really good blank. It'll be perfect for layering. Always good quality too. This feels like pretty good quality. Not like Hanes t-shirt quality, like actual thick cotton material quality. So that's a pretty good blank. Oh, let me show you guys the pants with it. It actually looks like it matches really good. So that's cool. That's a cool little set. They're actually two different colors now that I'm looking at it, but we got is this like corduroy button-up shirt. I folded this myself. I think I folded it pretty good.
Well, hold on on that. Hold on.
Yeah, you guys, this is just like a corduroy shirt. It's just like a corduroy button-up shirt. Again, this is just like another great piece, another great basic piece for layering. The material is pretty thick and it's about to be, I feel like with some of these boxes they gave me like winter pieces because I don't even freaking know, but it's like dead about to be summer. But I don't know, I can wear this with like a little tank top and wear it like, but well, I'm gonna style them so you guys are gonna get a vision of how I would wear this. But just a chill little button up. It's from the brand Distortion, if anybody's heard of that brand, Distortion. That's the thing about these THREADBEAST box. It's like a whole bunch of like different brands that they just curate for you. As you guys can see, like all of the pieces so far have just been like neutral color tones, just like basics, things that they know I would wear. So I guess they do take a little bit of time to like curate specially for you. So let's see the last thing. And I'm gonna show the I gotta show the chat because they put another box inside of a box for me. We have a box inside of a box. This is the best thing that they sent. It's from Young La or Young LA. I think it's Young LA. I'm just now realizing Young LA. I was saying, this whole time I was thinking the acronym for Los Angeles LA was AL, but now I'm done having a dumb moment and it says Young LA. So this is another box from Young LA. This is the best thing. They knew to put the best thing in here for last at the bottom. They knew. So it actually says what it is, if you guys can read that Champion Club jacket. So you guys already know this is a jacket and it's summertime, but it's pretty cool though. Let's open. Holy shit. Open. Oh, this jacket is gonna be, y'all can't even see. No, this jacket is gonna be sick in the freaking winter time. So I'm excited. It's pretty thick too. It's nothing else in the box. It's pretty thick too. I'm actually excited to style this piece right here. Both views, you can see the front and you can see the back. No, you guys, this jacket is sick. Let me show you guys up close details. So you guys can see like it has like all of the patching on it. Then it says Young LA Alpha. What does that say? Alpha letter? I don't even know. I can't even read. Niggas can't read right now. Then it says 23. I was thinking 23 like Jordan Jumpman, but I don't know. Then it has patches on the arms too. Super cool. So you guys, these were all of the pieces. I'm putting it on. These were all of the pieces that were in the box. Now let's style them. You guys. Also, you guys, I'm styling this shirt first. This shirt from the THREADBEAST, from the brand Distortion. Just wearing this like little chrome hearts crop top, and I'm wearing these jorts too. Let me show you guys the jorts. All right, y'all. So yeah, this is the fitty. The jorts with the ricks, and then I got the little corduroy joint on with the chains. You guys can see the chains. Chrome hearts on the hat. 555 on the rings, and the belt chain. And yeah, this is how I was styled. The first piece from THREADBEAST. This is like a nice chill fitty. I'm not even gonna lie, this is a chill fit. It's actually a pretty nice chill fit though. Pretty nice chill fit. What would you guys rate this fit? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate it? I would give it a 7.5 in my opinion. So you guys, the next thing that I'm gonna wear from the THREADBEAST package is this like ruse. I don't know. They're both from the same brand though, so I'm gonna wear them as like a set situation. So you guys, this is how the two-piece set is looking and giving. This is the shirt. This is the pants. It's actually super comfy. Super fly. I'm gonna wear it with these modular. Let me show you guys the fit. This outfit is actually eating. So the pants are from the brand Ruin? Is it Ruin? I don't know. I don't fucking know. But the pants and the shirt are from the the pants and the shirt are from the same brand. The shirt also has a cropped fit to it too. I like this. I like these pieces. This may be the last outfit that I have time to style because I actually have something else to do. So we're gonna style this. This is probably the outfit. I'm just constantly having to adjust equipment, y'all. Equipment's not on my side. This is probably the favorite outfit that I'm most excited to wear. Oh yeah, this is definitely giving like 90s cool streetwear. So let me tell you guys the fit. So I got the Young LA like racing jacket on. This t-shirt that says I Heart Japan. I got it from Japan. You guys already know 555 jewels on the chains. These gloves are thrifted, vintage. And then I gotta give you guys a good angle of the fit. And then for the pants, we got on the Rick Owen pants. Don't know if they're pod shorts. No, they're not Creech cargos. Balenciaga Tyrex. And yeah, this is the fitty. This is the fitty. I actually really like this fit the best. I feel like the glasses kind of pulled it all together. I'm not gonna lie. All right, we ate down on all of the videos. Let me turn this off so you guys can hear me. All right, y'all, so you guys already know we ate on all of the outfits that I made. I only didn't put on one because I just don't have enough time. But you guys, this was a really fun and dope live segment, and I plan on doing more live segments like this, like live unboxing, so you guys can see my first reaction. But thank you to everybody who tapped into the live. Remember, you guys, hit that subscribe button, go watch some videos, leave some comments, give them thumbs up. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for this live. Peace out, y'all. Stay blessed.